everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on your Snapchat application. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your Snapchat app from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your Snapchat. Once you are, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the upper left hand corner. Go to the top right hand corner from your profile page and tap on the gear icon. Scroll all the way down until you see the app appearance button and give it a tap. From the three options, if you want your Snapchat application to match your iOS appearance settings, then tap on the first option. In order to enable the dark mode, tap on the Always Dark button from the page and you'll be able to see that your Snapchat application has turned on its dark mode. Once you enable your dark mode, it'll be easier for your eyes while using your application at night. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.